Good morning. So 2 days to go, and then it's the weekend before Christmas. So I just worked a lot in the last week, so this is the reason why I didn't upload any videos. I haven't bought anything new since my overlands that I bought from the Black Friday this year. And I thought, yeah, maybe I should make a little video just to inform you. I'm still living, but at the moment it's a little bit quiet during these days, so maybe this will be my last video for 2018, and I will try then again to make new clips in the new year. Also, the weather was not so great here, and it's pretty dark, so also going out it's not much. Yeah. Now I'm heading into the office. So, finished working for the day. Now I'm driving home. As you can see, this is the reason why I don't make many videos. Because it's boring in Switzerland when it's winter and you work. Just a normal work day, so I will cook now something for me and also for later, for next week or next year, because in 4 days it will be Christmas. So yeah, tomorrow is my last working day, and then I have 5 days free, so it looks nice. Let's see how my chili looks like. Because I like it spicy, so I tried now to plant some chili on my own. Looks nice, looks good. Especially the big ones behind looks really healthy. So, I will cook something now. Let's make a little nice time lapse now. So, as you can see, in total I'm making 4 pizzas. 4. One to eat today, the rest I will eat a little bit later, maybe next year, so it will be frozen. But I need to make all 4 today. 3 of them I will be only around 7 minutes in, and the pizza that I eat today, around 12 minutes, and then it's good. So I'm not even sure if I will upload this clip today, but if you see it until now, then I have decided to upload it. Because I think it will be my last video. Maybe I will make one more clip if it is a nice weather, because after 4 months I received my ND filters for my Mavic 2 Pro that I can use finally. So maybe if I'm lucky, I have nice weather in the next day, so I will go up into the mountains, maybe fly a little bit drone, because with this drone you can just take amazing pictures and films. So I'm very happy with this drone, but in Switzerland the weather is not so good. So these are the 4 pizzas that I want to make. These 2 will be the first one, then this, and the last one, this smaller one, because this one I will eat. But and I think it's 250 degrees now. Yeah, it's good. All right. Let's take the first one. Filming and stuff, now I don't have a hand free. Wait a moment. Here. So 7 minutes. This will be frozen. So let's look. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. Oh, no. Shit. Not off. On full power. So this I will take out, and then I will do the rest. It's maybe a little bit too much, huh? It seems. No, I waited a minute longer. This was my mistake. So this time I need to be faster when 7 minutes are over. So, last pizza is done. I wish you all a great Christmas, and maybe I will make another clip this year, and if not, I wish you all a great new year. Bye bye.